When you see Archangel Michael subduing the dragon, subduing the monster, subduing the serpent with his spear, what do you actually see, ladies and gentlemen? Do you believe that this is supposed to be taken literally, this symbol? Or do you think that there's maybe something behind the surface, as is most often the case with symbols, Archangel Michael fighting the serpent, fighting the dragon, fighting the monster is symbolic of him conquering the lower nature of his psyche. The parts that keep us bound to unhealthy living, unhealthy addictions, ladies and gentlemen. The things that keep us from uniting with the Kundalini energy. I've said in many of my videos that a large reason why we are separated from the Kundalini energy, from the sleeping serpent, ladies and gentlemen, is because of our actions, the ways that we live our lives. So Archangel Michael, St. George, and a handful of other angels struggling with dragons, ladies and gentlemen, or fighting them or subduing them. This is symbolic of the process in whereby you battle with the qualities that keep you from awakening the Kundalini energy, which is the religious underpinning of pretty much every ancient culture, the rising and the movement of this energy, because it brings us to the Christ, and through the Christ we get to know God. So I really want to emphasize what this means, because a lot of people look at this, but they don't actually see what it represents. Archangel Michael is a depiction of, he is a modern depiction of a very ancient deity, a handful of deities, but that's besides the point. He's subduing the dragon because he's finally put to rest all the pieces, all the aspects of himself that have kept him away from this energy. And when the serpent is tamed, so to speak, the conditions are by default met, which cause this energy to rise up the spine and make man and womankind angels again. You see, we were designed to be angels. I know that's kind of hard to wrap your mind around. But when the chakras are illuminated and finally working, ladies and gentlemen, you become something far beyond the human condition. You become, quite literally, a demigod. You become like Archangel Michael. So this is so far beyond the understanding of the brainwashed mind that people will fight, kick, and scream to scoff at what I just said, that we were designed to be angels. But I am here to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that we were designed to be much more than what we currently are. And that these symbols, like St. George, Archangel Michael, Shiva, these symbolic deities are access points, if you will, pylons that we can use symbolically to speak to our subconscious, to imbue ourselves with the content of the symbol. I hope that makes sense. I don't have time to get into it in this video, ladies and gentlemen. All I'm going to say is that more often than not, these deities depicted fighting monsters or serpents, it represents a struggle and a conquering process within the aspects of the psyche and the world around them that are keeping them from being their best. I hope that makes sense. Peace be with you all. I wanted to personally thank you for watching my videos and contributing to the growth of my channel. I could not do this without you, and your interest in my content is truly what motivates me and fuels my passion for making these videos and spreading my message. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I wanted to remind you that this channel is a free educational tool that is listener supported, and if you would like to donate to my channel and donate to my cause, help make my life a little bit easier and help keep the lights on around here, you can do so by checking out the links in the description box below. There's a handful of not only ways to donate to my channel, but I also have links to different websites and different videos of mine, as well as my Amazon store, where you can check out a plethora of different health-related products that I use and recommend. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your continued interest in my message, and until next time, peace be with you all.